Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm making a quick and easy avocado and tomato salad. To make this, cut an avocado and tomatoes, combine them in a bowl, add salt and black pepper to taste, plus olive oil. You can also add a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to elevate the taste of this salad. However, this is totally optional. I mix gently to bring the salad together. Once I'm happy with the salt and seasoning, the salad is ready. I hope you try this and like it. If you do, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and bye for now.